Most beginners make one mistake here. They subtract in the wrong order. For area between curves, remember area is the integral of top minus bottom. So first, we find where these curves meet by setting them equal. So we set x4 minus x squared to be equal to x plus 2. Then what we can do, we can move everything to one side. So we get x squared plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then we can quickly factor. We need x plus 2, then x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this gives us x is equal to negative 2 and x is equal to 1. So these two are our limits. Now we are going to decide which curve is on top. So the first idea is to sketch the curve, right? You can see here that between negative 2, 1 and 2, the graph of y is equal to 4 minus x squared is on top, while the linear function is at the bottom. If you cannot manage to sketch the graph quickly, you can use a simple trick. After getting the interval here, you can see that your interval is negative 2, 1. You can pick any simple point in this interval. Let us say I pick x to be equal to 0. Now let us plug in x equal to 0 in our function. So the first function is y is equal to 4 minus 0 squared, which is equal to 4. For the second function, you have y is equal to 0 plus 2, which is equal to 2. So because the first one gives a larger number 4, meaning that it is on top between negative 2 and 1. The next thing is just to write this integral. So we have the integral from negative 2 to 1, then 4 minus x squared minus x plus 2. And when you simplify the inner function, or what is in the parentheses, we get 2 minus x squared. Now we can go ahead and integrate this, which gives us 2x minus x squared over 2 minus 1 over 3 x to the power 3. And we put in our limits from negative 2 to 1. Okay. At this stage, you can just plug in negative 2, find the answer, and plug in 1 and find the answer and find the difference, right? So this should give you 9 over 2.